How to make a flavorful Karak Chai. Add 2 tablespoons of water, 2 teaspoons of white sugar. You can adjust to taste. 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. Allow to caramelize and mix. At that point, you want to go ahead and add 2 cups of water. And I do crush 4 green cardamoms and 1 black cardamom. Once the water boils, add 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds and add all those crushed spices, the 4 green cardamoms and 1 black cardamom. Allow to boil 2 to 3 black tea bags and 1 cinnamon stick. The tea should still be boiling. At that point, I add 1 cup of whole milk and I do allow it to boil, but I lift the pot 2 to 3 times in a minute so it allows the tea to boil. If you're enjoying this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. Strain and enjoy your yummy-licious Karak Chai.